Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, I'll explain more about pending order approval, a feature exclusive to our Pro Suite and Portfolio Plus subscribers. This feature gives you the ability to fine tune an order before it goes into production, so that allows for any last minute changes before the order is submitted to the lab. If you needed to replace an image with a higher resolution version or adjust some cropping, for example, you would want to utilize this feature. To enable this feature, the way that you would do that is from your dashboard, click on the selling icon, click on the price list tab, and you'll see your price list that you've built here. Click edit, and up here in the upper right, you'll see price list settings. Click on that. That's going to let you set whether you want to manually approve orders or auto approve orders. Once you're finished setting this, be sure to click save. It's important to keep in mind that with the pending order approval feature, it will be up to you to approve the orders in a timely manner so that your customers are not kept waiting. Any orders not approved within 30 days may be canceled and automatically refunded to the customer. So, we highly recommend using this feature with your Zenfolio account as it helps ensure that the finished product will be perfect for your customers to receive. I hope this helps.